So today we will learn how to uninstall any application from the PC. Now go to the search button and search control panel, and you can also search manage a device. Click on that and you will find options like this just on the program, or uninstall a program, just click on that. And now you can see it shows many applications you have on your computer. Scroll down and find which application you want to uninstall. Like I want to uninstall the ShareX application. Just click on that. And there is another option that click on the Start button and it will show you the application list. Then just right-click on that and click on the Uninstall button. And now it's successfully removed. For a support, just click on the Subscribe button.